Mirai-chan, wake up.
What?
It's time to get up.
What time is it? Huh, I'm late for school.
Christmas holidays, Baka-chan. No school.
Oh, then what are you waking me up for?
Because it's 1 in the afternoon. It was time to get up like 5 hours ago.
Where's Miku-chan?
Some of your friends came by and they went out already.
Why didn't they try to wake me?
They did, but you called them wasabi cupcakes and told them to go away.
I did? I must have been talking in my sleep.
Yeah, so they left. They thought you were too tired from playing Pokemon all night.
Those wasabi cupcakes. Oh well, that's fine. I have something important to do anyways. And it's perfect. Miku-chan's not here. And it's all mine.
Okay, Crazy-chan. Just don't set the house on fire.
All right, let's get started. Who could that be? Ne-chan, door!
Yes, mother?
What you doing? Ah! Oh, it's you. Why are you here?
I came to visit, but you don't look happy to see me.
Well, I'm not. I thought you're the chupacabra. What's up with you?
Oh, my older brother's driving me crazy, so I had to get out of the house.
Oh, I know what you mean. People show up here all the time and drive me crazy.
I know, it must be so annoying.
So what you doing?
My very own gingerbread house.
Is that what it is? And I was happy that Miku wasn't here to judge my creativity.
I'm not judging you, I like it.
Really? You're not just being plastic with me?
No, I like it. It's very unique and melty.
You can only do so much without thumbs.
So where is Miku?
She's hanging out with some friends.
How come you didn't go?
I had my reasons.
You overslept, didn't you? And when they tried to wake you up, you called them wasabi cupcakes?
How did you know that?
Oh, I was here with them a while ago, and...
Hey! Finally done!
But I'm still talking.
Come look!
Very nice, Mirai-chan. Good work.
I know, right?
So, when are you going to eat it?
Never. As in, I'm gonna treasure this forever.
I see. I think the ants will be grateful for that. We're probably gonna eat it Christmas Day. Why don't you come over and have some?
Oh, I can't, Ne-chan. We're going to visit Grandma over Christmas, but I'm free New Year's.
Okay. Well, you can come over anytime.
Thank you, Ne-chan.
Now, who wants to help me decorate the tree?
Me, Ne-chan.
Me too.
It's so pretty. Now it feels like Christmas.
Ooh, Miku-chan is back? I can't wait to show her my gingerbread house. Wait here while I get the door. Welcome back, Miku-chan.
Oh, you're not Miku. Finny-chan, there is some little boy here looking for you.
Little boy? Oh, that must be my brother. I gotta get going. We are going to Grandma's house for Christmas dinner. I thought you had a big brother. I have an older brother. There's nothing big about him. Really? That's your older brother? I thought he was 10 years old. He's actually 17. He's just short for his age and baby-faced. Oh, he should drink more milk. He's up to 3 gallons a day now, which is ridiculous. Anyways, I gotta go. Bye. Older little brother? This can't be real. What a nightmare.
All that work? I'm not building some gingerbread house on my vacation. Hey, sleepyhead. We are going to the mall. Do you wanna come? Oh, Miku-chan, I knew you would not leave me behind. Let's go, my wasabi cupcakes.
What are you talking about? You have to get dressed first.
Oh, right.